Chag Sameach, everybody. Happy Hanukkah. Today, Evie and I are going to show you how to play Dreidel. So, to start off, we're going to get better camera angles. To start off, we each start with 10 gelt. Gelt can be plastic or it can be a circle of chocolatey goodness. So, Evie, you don't really eat. I hate to break it to you, so you can have the plastic. All right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I, however, love to eat chocolate, so I will take the chocolate one. To play, everybody needs a dreidel. So this is a dreidel. Hey means you get half. Shin means you have to put one in. None means you get nothing. And Gimel is great because it means you get everything. All right, so at the beginning of each turn, you have to ante up. Evie, you have to ante up. Don't hoard all your go. All right, so this is the ante pile right here, where I'm gonna go first. Now I'm going to spin. Spin, 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 spin. Give me something good. Dang it! I got none, so that means I get nothing. So at the beginning of every turn, you put one in the pot. Evie, I'm gonna spin it for you because your arms look very tiny and hard to spin. Okay, I'm gonna spin that once more. Fun fact, the bigger the dreidel, the more difficult it is to spin. You know what, Evie? You can use my dreidel. I know sharing is caring, yeah. Also, the bigger the dreidel, the hard. Why did I lend you my dreidel? All right, Evie won, so she got Gimel. That means she gets everything. I'm losing against a stuffed animal. This is doing nothing for my pride. All right, it's the beginning of new turn, so we both put one in. So the wooden dreidels are better. I know those colorful, those plastic colorful dreidels are popular because they're pretty and stuff. But they don't spin as well. Plastic dreidels don't spin as well. Plus, they're usually harder to read. So I need an edge against stuffed animal in myself. So I'm using the wooden one. All right, it's my turn. Do, 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 do. Go, dreidel, go. Go, dreidel, go. Turn it, Shin. It's Shin. So I have to put one in. All right, it's the new turn. So we're anteing up. Yes, you can use my dreidel again, but I'm going to be supremely upset if you win. Ha! You get nothing! Ha ha! Ha ha ha! All right, you get nothing, but you have to ante up. So there. I'm getting really heated against. And if you're competitive, this game is great. Ha ha! Hey, I get half. All right. Half plus the X. If there's more than one, you get 1/2 plus 1, the 1. All right, so it's a new turn. So ante up. Ante up, stop hoarding your guilt, Missy. And it's your turn. All right, I'm gonna spin it. I'm spinning it for Evie. Gimel. She's Gimel. Just take it. Just take it and leave me to my sorrow. All right, it's new turn, so we ante up. It's my turn now. Yo, I win everything. Let's wind this down on a winning note. So basically, how you win officially. How you win the game is the first person to get all of the gelt wins. Unofficially, it's kind of like Monopoly, and it can go on forever, and it kind of just ends when everybody gets sick of playing. Also, if you run out of gelt, you're either A, out, or B, if you're playing with a bunch of people, somebody can give you a loan and keep you in the game. And that is how you play Dreidel. Thank you, and have a happy Hanukkah.